All right, so I was able to get the drum out. It's not damaged too much on the inside. I'm assuming it was just locked in. I thought it was going to be locked to the center support, but this drum is actually not that bad. I mean, other than everything in the unit got to like 500 to 800 degrees bad, but you can see down in the drum, it's just super heated. So any tensile strength to any of the springs will be bad. Can't really, reuse it. Maybe the drum, because it is steel, depending on how bad the race is in there for the sprag. I'm gonna keep getting it the rest of the way apart and see here. But yeah, how I ended up getting it out of there was we stood it up, dropped it on the ground a couple times, was beating on the shaft backwards with another output shaft and a sledge, and then it finally popped out, luckily. So didn't get it yesterday, but came back in, tried it again today, and it was able to come out. Try to move my camera. Let's see here if we can see. So you just got the band. I mean, it's burnt. Still holding its shape. I just got to get the snap ring out for the intermediate clutches. This is what was probably hanging it up, was it was stuck on the teeth of the plates. So I mean, yeah. I mean, look at it. It's just total delamination. It's just cooked. Might save the pressure plate. God, it smells so bad, man. Save the pressure plate out of it. I gotta get that cooler line off the back because we're up to the support. The scrap guy coming to get this stinky, hot ass mess out of here today. So I don't have to smell it no more. So then we just got the center support snap ring to get out of there, which is beveled, and it's in wrong. It's the gap is over on the open side, which is never good. Let's see. Hard to get in here to get this. Yeah, it's even stuck in there. I need my other, I need that big ass one. So I love this hook tool to get snap rings out, man. It's really good. Now, let's see. Oh, got lucky on that too. Oh yeah, so it's totally locked in there. Let's see if we can at least get the shaft out of it. It's really in there too. I just want to try and not hurt the support. So I might be able to reuse the support, maybe. Got it. What is that stuck in there? I mean, I won't use that, but this needs a new bushing. Here's the bearing. I don't know if it's savable. And then you can see where it like melted. That tab is not supposed to be there. This right here, this edge There. And see, it's just melted metal. That's actually melted bushing, it looks like, or aluminum off of something. But I'll save the support as a core. Whenever I have to buy a new one, they'll want a core for that. So I'll save it. Yeah, I'll save the pump as a core. Valve body, no. This drum, maybe, but again, as a core. Let's see if we can get the rest of this out of here. Here's the spacer for the bottom of the support, and I'll save that. Oh yeah, I'll come out with this. Gotta get the little yoke tube off. No, it should just pull out easy. Yeah, well. See, there's the superheated sprag. Again, I wouldn't want to reuse. I mean, I wouldn't reuse the sprag anyway, but still, look at the winding. It's got to be from the sensor. I mean, I already have the solenoid one. Let's see if it's any good. But again, they're about reusing it, man. I don't know. There's some recongealed plastic, unless the washer. There is a plastic washer that goes here, which is gone. It's got molten plastic and steel down, and aluminum down in there, so the rear is bad. I'm wanting it for the output shaft, is what I really need, because I'm getting a couple cores, so I could do the build for the guy. Sorry, my arm's in the way. I don't have the camera on my head like normal. So yeah, I really just wanted it for this piece, which is hardened steel. I'll put a new bushing in it. It's not going to be hurt as long as this isn't bad, and it's not, so that's good. Does it have the shim? Yeah, I'll save the shim, because your later models, that's the thing, they make like 3 different center supports, really. You've got, like, obviously the side feed lube. Then there's 2 versions of the support with this, where there's a step here or no step off this recess. If it's flush like this one, you're always going to find this shim for the rear end play, basically, for the support. If this is countersunk here a little bit, you won't see this shim. Now, you can take an early style in, like the kind that doesn't have it, even in an early, but the earlys won't have this lube feed. But you can intermingle the shim and no shim, but it depends on this right here. Just getting the rear seal piece out of here. Rear seal clip. You can't see what I'm doing. The camera's not set up. Just taking the rear seal out. Like I said, I'm just trying to strip it of all the metal that I can with the scrap, dude. I can't get the cord, dude, here to get this and clean up my tools and be done with that crap. Yeah, there's just that pin. I'm not gonna get that out of there. I'm not breaking it. I don't feel like heating it or anything. So yeah, I got it stripped down all the way for him. And he'll take all that stuff, keep some of it to move over. I'll keep the pan. Just gotta make sure to not let him take the pan. Yeah, there's the wiring harness. What's left of it? It's disgusting. There's his accumulators again. Look at that. How it just re-solidified to the channel down in the body. There's the other accumulator. Again, just melted. So I dump this in his car or his truck.